Hi guys and welcome to this video. So let's talk about today's intraday trade analysis, what I've done for today. So this is a chart what I have traded for today. Okay, so let me explain you why I have taken the long entry in this particular chart here. Okay, so as you guys can see, this was a previous high point what the stock has made. Okay, so you can see here from here the price has been increased and it has gone up and it has touched this potential resistance point, and after touching this resistance point here you can see the price has been decreased. But today we can see here the price has again went up and it has touched the same level again. So and it was almost giving a bigger volume. Okay, so it was a starting point of a day for today and I could see bigger volumes coming where the buyers are there. So that's the reason why I have taken a buy entry here, and you can see here after taking the buy entry on this particular range it gave a breakout on this particular resistance level, and we can see here the price has gone up. But anyways, by following my study strategy and my trade discipline, I kept my 1:2 risk reward ratio here in this particular trade, and I have booked the profit and I have taken the exit for today. Okay, so this is my educational study and educational strategy and trade what I have done for today. Okay, so if you guys are interested to learn more about trading, okay, so if you guys want to learn how to improve your trading knowledge and trading skills, you can contact on the number displayed on the screen for more educational details. And please note, whenever you're trading does involve risks, so you need to keep a proper target, stop loss, and maintain the right discipline in trading. Okay, so if you don't maintain the right discipline in trading, then it's not a right thing. Okay, so you need to know a proper money management system, and you need to know how to manage your risk properly in trading. So then only you will be able to be in the right side of trading. So anyway, this is a trade what I've done for the day, guys. So this video is only for an educational purpose, and if you guys wish to learn more from me, you can subscribe to my channel for more educational knowledge. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.